Yeah, welcome to Weekly Forecast. Here we will discuss about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the doubt asked in the WhatsApp group that is of Tata Steel and Tata Power. Okay, so I'll begin with the Nifty. Just I'm trying to connect these two bottoms, one and two. Now one more I'll add by connecting these two. Okay, I will add one more. Okay, this is a daily chart. So hopefully it is taking a support here. This is the second and this is the third line. I mean here, 1 2 3, and the way here it's looking like 1 2 3 4 5 are like a inverted triangle, we can say, or like a um, yeah, inverted head and shoulder, or like a diamond shape, whatever the possible structure. Here it's not exactly to the diamond. Okay, fine. So here what I'm saying, in case of Nifty, we may see one up before it can go any further down, because only keeping this as my reference point, if you can see this, it is a faster upside movement and it's a slower downside movement, right? So I'll add one more support line here, right? So if it is crossing above this, we will be seeing one upside movement in case of Nifty, right? So if it is opening somewhere around here or crossing the level of 15,775, we will be seeing one up before it can go any further down. So here we may see this is a one more angle, so that it can go up to the level of 16,000, or if it is going below this, so we may retest the 15,500 level. So here there is a pattern. So possibly this will be like A, B, and C, or a simple ABC kind of a structure. For example, this is A, whatever it is going, it's a B, and will be forming a C. That will be like a flat, or a pattern like a triangle may happen in this case of Nifty. Okay, so this is the possible structure which I am looking, because this is a one trend, or earlier pattern was this. Again, it was a triangle. Hopefully this is not doing a triangle. Maybe it does flat or some other pattern of correction, that may possible. So in case of Nifty, so we hopefully see some upside moment if it is crossing the level of 15,900 and 15,000, yeah, 15,770 level or 780 level. After that we may see it to the 15,900, or else we may see downside only below 15,660 that to retest the level of 15,500. Okay, this I'll change to the different color so that it will be as a referral point. Yeah, so this I'm expecting it may go and touch the level of 16,300 or 16,400 in case of Nifty. If it is crossing only below the 15,520 or 550 level, then we may see this as like a end of some correction. So we may see towards 15,200 and to the level of 14,810. Okay, that will be opposite to this correction, opposite to this is like this, and we may see one more correction adjacent to that in this area. Okay, so this is a possible, but Nifty is coming down also. There is a chances again it can go one up, two does this. Okay, this is the possible pattern in case of Nifty. A B C D E F or A B C D E. Here it's A B C D E F G. Again, it's a neutral triangle. Sorry, this is a diametric pattern. Here again, it was in the diametric pattern. So possibly it may come towards the 14,800 or towards the 16,200. Okay, in this for the next week, if it is crossing the level of 15,773, it may go and test the level of 16,000 first. If it is able to cross higher level, it can go towards the 16,300, or else after this it may retest the level of 15,513. Then it may go upside. So this is the possible pattern which I am looking in case of Nifty. Or this will be like a and this will be B and this will be the C, a third possibility that will be adding in like blue line. Okay, getting my point? So this is a one possibility, this is a second possibility, and this is the third possibility in case of Nifty. What about a bank Nifty? Yeah, it structurally hasn't changed as we earlier thought. It may be doing the X wave or something as a new. So I'm removing this, and yeah, it is going similar way which we expected earlier. So I'm keeping this as a downside now. So one more up, hopefully this will be touching this line like expanding triangle. So 36,500 could be the possible target in case of bank Nifty if it is protecting the level of 34,600. Okay, if it is not crossing below and opening above this, similar to the Nifty, it may retest the level of 35,950 into the 36,500. Okay, because it is spending some more time compared to this fall, we will get one correction, but that is not right now. After this completion of the B, we will be getting the pattern of C. Okay, this is the time which took for the A and this is the B. It is more extending. So possibly it's a triangle pattern or diametric or zigzag. Okay, so zigzag also it crossed 80%, I hope. Yeah, it is near 80%. So possible pattern is triangle here or a flat. So flat means it will go and spend some time here, 200 to 300%, and one more down. Okay, fine. So this is for the bank Nifty. Someone asked about a Tata Steel. We'll go first to the daily chart. Yeah. Weekly. It's a ready chart. So hopefully it will go upside after this correction. It is going in long term for because this was a triangle which crossed. So in Tata Steel, it is for the long term only. There is no sell. Use the opportunity whenever you get to buy or accumulate. Okay, in Tata Steel there is no sell at, but in this lower time frames you may see like A, B, and C, or like a triangular structure or like a zigzag structure. And after this we may see one up for 15,000 and 16,000, sorry, 1500 and 1600 level. So look for buy in case of Tata Steel, not to sell. Okay, this is 1 and 2, and hopefully we will get a 3 and 4 into the 5. This 1 and 2, this is 3 and 4, this is 5. Okay, this is for the Tata Steel. And someone has asked a Tata Power, I hope. In Tata Power also there is no sell at, so the chart is ready, so one can go for. So target before 30th April 42.45. This earlier said, now it is at 125. It was doing an ending diagonal at the end, so we said it may go towards 42 or 45, but it is going upside. So now it will be like this and correction and upside. Okay. Stay in a buy in case of Tata Power 2, not to sell. This is the extended part of the first video, because in that I missed Nifty and Bank Nifty. And now I covered in this Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Tata Steel and Tata Power. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.